Introduction to Travis CI and GitHub integration.
The previous user of Travis CI is a popular continuous integration service that automates building and testing code every time you push changes to GitHub. Integrating Travis CI with your GitHub project helps catch issues early and streamlines your development workflow. This guide walks you through the essential steps to set up a basic Travis CI pipeline for your GitHub repository.
Step 1. Sign up and authorize Travis CI.
Start by visiting the Travis CI website and signing in with your GitHub account. Grant Travis CI the necessary permissions to access your repositories. This connection allows Travis CI to monitor your code for any new commits or pull requests, and automatically trigger builds when changes occur.
Step 2. Enable your repository in Travis CI.
Once logged in, navigate to your Travis CI dashboard. Find your GitHub repository in the list and enable it for Travis CI integration. This step tells Travis CI to start watching your repository for activity and prepares it for automated build processes.
Step 3. Create the .travis.yml configuration file.
In the root directory of your project, add a file named travis.yml. This YAML file defines your project's build instructions. For many languages, you can start with a simple configuration like specifying the programming language and version. Commit and push this file to your repository to activate Travis CI builds.
Step 4. Monitor builds and check results.
After pushing the travis.yml file, Travis CI will automatically start building your project with each new commit. You can monitor the progress and results directly on the Travis CI dashboard or through status badges in your GitHub repository. Review build logs to catch errors and ensure a smooth development pipeline.
Conclusion. Enjoy automated testing on GitHub.
With Travis CI connected to your GitHub repository, every code change is automatically checked, helping to prevent problems before they reach production. As your project grows, you can expand your Travis CI configuration for more complex pipelines, making it a vital tool for consistent, reliable development.